Hey friends, if you encounter this issue where the Windows Media Player is missing on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Now it's not very difficult to resolve it, but first of all, let us check. I will search for the word Media Player, okay, and then it does not show the Windows Media Player here. It does show the legacy one, but not the newer one. So what can I do in this case? Interestingly, we don't need a PowerShell command for this. All we need to do is search for store in the Windows search bar and open the Microsoft Store. Search for Media Player here and then go to Windows Media Player. Click on install and it will start installing the Windows Media Player. Okay, so this can reinstall the Windows Media Player. Then click on open and it will launch it. And now when you search for Media Player in the Windows search bar, you will notice it in the list of applications and you can use it. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.